In this tutorial, we will be demonstrating how easy it is to find rule associations with the VDI ToolKit. So what can you find associations on? Well, you can find associations on both rule items and qualifiers. So how does that help? Well, first, it would be very cumbersome to open each rule and check the qualifiers or rule items to find an association. In an environment with a lot of rules, it would be impossible. It also aids in troubleshooting when trying to find out why someone is getting a rule applied to them or whatnot. Up next, we will demonstrate finding rule associations using the VDI ToolKit. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So what we want to do is go ahead and open up the management console, and I have that running on a virtual desktop. I'll go ahead and open it. Once open, I'm going to go ahead and expand it. And if we navigate to rules, we'll see our rule items and our rule qualifiers. So let's say just for testing, I'll go ahead and choose rule qualifiers. And you can do this with any qualifier, but I'll just go ahead and choose an Active Directory user. And let's see. So we'll go ahead and take this user right here, the VDI ToolKit user. And all you have to do is right click, and then you can hit View Rule Associations. So if I click that, you'll see, and it'll show both session rules and session state rules that qualifier is associated with. So that's pretty much that for that. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And then we can also navigate to rule items, and I'll do another one here. And I'll take a rule item, right click again, and do View Rule Associations, and then I can see the rules that it's associated with. And desktop shortcut is only associated with session rules, so you'll only see session rules for that. So it's real easy to use that to kind of find and see what something's linked to if you're trying to troubleshoot or just take a look at something and see what rules are applying to a user. It's also easy to see what rules applied in the virtual desktop session. If you're remoted to the virtual desktop session that the user is using, you can actually use the client to see what rules were applied. But this makes it easy after the fact if you just need to do that from the management console. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and thank you.